As organizations start to adopt public cloud, we're seeing a shift of those applications out of a traditional data center into data centers that the organization doesn't maintain.
And they're consuming services offered maybe up by Microsoft with O365, SaaS-based applications, and other cloud-based services. And we see the SD-WAN story resonate with them heavily because software-defined WAN technology is very powerful in that I can categorize that and recognize those traffic patterns and control them from a security aspect and an optimization aspect as we start consuming services in multiple data centers. Maybe I want to throttle down how much Facebook overall bandwidth consumes in my organization. I can limit that down to maybe a couple of percent. But maybe I don't want to affect Messenger. I can make Messenger highly available, but I can limit the rest of Facebook.
The application level integration with any product these days is absolutely crucial. So the fact that Citrix does it and does it so well as far as being able to customize and build your own application profiles into the appliance is absolutely key to help selling this technology to the business and to the decision makers that are ultimately going to sign off on these products.
User experience is becoming very important because as the workforce is younger, there's an expectation that the application is always there. It's always available and it's always consistent in the way that it performs.
It makes sense to buy an SD-WAN solution from a company who understands the end user compute.
I think the big thing about Citrix and how it's set apart from, the other 35 vendors that are in this muddy space right now is really the flexibility of the product. A lot of our customer base is already a Citrix shop. So if we can tie this product into their existing licensing from an ADC perspective, from a Zen desktop, we can actually bring that back and we can tie that into a higher SLA. So then they're getting bigger discounts depending on the different type of solution that they deploy.
That level of power that you guys have, it's complex in the fact that I can classify those 4,000 apps, but once you get it dialed in, it works really well, kind of tailor fit to the organization's needs. And I don't see that in a lot of other solutions. You just offer your clients a lot more choice. The synergy makes a lot of sense. We don't see any clients that have Citrix in place for desktop virtualization that don't pick your SD-WAN solution to go on top of it.
The commitment that Citrix has made to their product line and listening to customer feature requests and being able to scale that to compete with providers around their offerings to be able to scale globally to large retail financial customers has really been something that sets apart, is really listening to their partners, their customers, everybody around things that they want to see improved in the product and actually delivering that and getting that to a market.